Well, it's that time. We're saying goodbye to 2023 and we're saying hello to 2024. See you guys outside. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Wow! Holy! I better run! Run! Run for your lives! What the fuck? Whoa! Colorful! Another one coming! Let's go! Look at them! Look at all them! Well, there's my mom, there's my sister. Wow! So much color! This is monster! What the? I wasn't even ready yet! Whoa! What is going on? Whoa. What? Sparkle. Sparkle game, where you at? Holy crap. Oh. Shit. Holy fucking shit. Here we go. Big boy! Whoa! Oh! Here's another one ahead. See, that's my sister right here. Hugging me. My sister's cameo appearance. I know. As you know, my sister speaks Polish a lot, but partially English. Oh yeah. So colorful, isn't it? What is this monstrosity? Holy shit! Just fire already! The show's about to start. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Oh, perfect! Oh, perfect timing! Whoa! Whoa! It almost exploded! Wow! Holy shit! Holy shit! Did you see that, sister? It almost exploded to our house! It almost exploded right into our house! Holy shit! There's our dog! If you don't know what my dog is, his name is Lily. Not to be confused with Lily and Alexia. 3, 2, 1, shit! Sorry about that. Damn it, camera. Can't believe it almost exploded right into our house right there. Whoa! That sparkle? Shit! We're starting again, folks. Time flew so fast, dudes. Well, that was fast, isn't it? Happy New Year's Eve, Mom. Have a happy life. My mom's the next cameo appearance, if you didn't know. Next up is my grandma. I mean grandpa. Oh, look at you, doggy. Look at you. You too. Much love. Happy New Year's Eve, my dog Lily. Wow. And look at this! Look at this! Whoa! Oh! Crap, I missed it. It wasn't a lot, but still. Lesson learned. Never play with fireworks alone. Let adults handle it. Wow. Well, 2024 is finally here. Thank you all for supporting me. For all special thanks to everyone who supported me, like Strong Jamal, like Jamal, Yash Techno, Joseph, Ghost, Victory Gorchoa, and others from the Techno Genesis community. But dude, look at this crap. Look at this monstrosity. Holy crap! Oh crap! Check those out! Ah, shit! We're going home, guys. Hell. My head hurts now. My camera's messy. Those retarded cameras. Got sparkled like heck. Oh, that's it. It was too short, but oh well. We couldn't afford for a lot of fireworks there. Hey guys, so if you guys thought that fireworks was over for today, nope. We still have 5 more to go. So this is gonna be a huge show right there tomorrow. Thank you all again for supporting me through the Techno Genesis community and my channel. I wish I could be more, but videos, I'll try my best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss anything on my channel. And yeah, subscribe to the other people. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. And I won't be... Never mind. Stay tuned to find out what will happen. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next year. I'll see you anytime. Goodbye. This is me, Marta P, signing off. Goodbye. Happy New Year's, everyone.